On this lesson, we're going to keep working on our characters. So now that we have finished our pick, what we can do is just select everything and then just group it by going to Object Group, or use just the shortcut Ctrl-G. Now you remember there were 3 little picks, so what I'm going to do is just make a copy by pressing Alt and Shift, and I can go and work on my pick. Now the difference can be subtle. In the case of these picks, they were brothers, but if you're creating a whole different character, try using different things. So for example, here I'm just making a line as I did with the hand, but here you can see that they are rounded, so you can get a different feeling if you maybe have rounded hands. Also the body maybe not be as an ellipse as we did. Maybe this is a rectangle and you just round the bottom corners or something like that. So it depends on the character that you are creating. That is what you're going to do. Now for this pick, I'm going to double click to go inside the group. I'm going to remove the eyebrows and draw another ones. So that repeat was kind of surprised. So let's make this one with eyebrows that instead of rounded or curved, they are straight. Now let's align those eyebrows. Remember that I was using my shortcut F11 to make the rotation. Now let's delete the mouth, and now let's again make a point, another point to click. Now click again to break the tangency and just make a shape like this. Now I'm going to sample the white color of the canvas, and now I have a pick that is kind of laughing. Remember that you could use your direct selection tool to move around the points. Now what I'm going to do is select everything that is with the shirt, go here on the top, and you're going to find this little color wheel that is called Recolor Artwork. Just click on that one, and here you have all the colors that you are using for those paths that you are selecting. Go to Edit, and make sure that you click here to link your harmony colors. And now if I move, let's say one of the colors right here on the top, you can see how everything is getting updated. You could also move here the hue. So for this pick, you could make a t-shirt or a sweater, whatever this pick has, kind of pinky, and press OK. And now it may not look too different, but it's a different character, a different brother. Now let's Alt and Shift to create a third brother. Now let's double click to access the group. Again, I can remove the mouth. Let's make a mouth for this pick on the middle. Just move it a little bit to the top. Let's delete the eyebrows, or actually you could bring them down. But for now I'm going to delete them and create another eyebrow that is like this. Remember that you can select it and use your shortcut or try to refine it. Just press F11 and now you have a reflected copy. And always make sure that you align your objects. Now again, select everything on the t-shirt, so both the group and the main body. Go Edit, link your harmony, and now this pick is going to have, and you could also not only play with the hue but with the saturation and brightness. So find something that works for you, and now you have 3 different picks. So all you can do right now is just group them and align them, and then just ungroup them. So this is how easy you can create different characters, and as I said, you could make them way more different depending on your tail. So in the next lesson, we're going to keep working on our cover.